Welcome to My Secret Math Tutor. I'm going to show you how to find the inverse of a function. So we're going to do it on this example right here. And there's basically a few steps we want to go through. First, we're going to kind of replace our function notation with just a y. We're going to swap the roles of x and y. This will allow us to solve for y. And then we'll go ahead and put in our function notation back in, and we'll use the 1 for the inverse. Okay, so let's see how this works. So first, let's swap out the function notation with just a y. So not a whole lot has changed just yet. Now we're going to swap the roles of x and y. So wherever you see a y, put in an x. Wherever you see an x, put in a y. Now from this step, we want to go ahead and start solving for y. This means we start to get a lot of these other things off to the other side, okay? So I want to move the 6th root to the other side. The only way I can do that is to raise both sides to the 6th power. Okay, and what that will do on the right side is basically take care of our root. So x to the 6th equal to y minus 2. Alright, now I need to move this 2 over. So this will give me x to the 6th plus 2, and that is equal to y. Let's go ahead and rearrange things so it's a little bit easier to read. This says y is equal to x to the 6th plus 2. And now that we have y isolated, it's all alone, let's go ahead and put our function notation back in. But since this now represents the inverse function, we're going to use the notation for an inverse. That's f minus 1 of x. There we go. So now we're done. This says that the inverse function of f is x to the 6th plus 2. And we're done. If you'd like to see some more videos, please visit mysecretmathtutor.com.